Hello and welcome guys, and welcome to this short vlog. And yes, I always repeat my statement that in intermediate group 1, DT is almost equivalent in terms of its curriculum, course, complexity as it's all the three other peers. So yes, DT IDT always is a pain point for all CMA intermediate student. The course is vast, the complexity is quite higher, and there are a lot of provisions to be remembered, theory to be remembered, practical questions of various things that are required to be remembered. So guys, in this particular video I'm going to introduce you to my strategy how to concise DT into a very small portion, and within a short span of time, within a given span of time, which is like we are already in the August end, September, October, November, within say 3 months, about 100 days, how can you prepare your direct and indirect taxation well? So guys, a fair bit of smart study which is required over here. Undoubtedly the best strategy is to do all the chapters, but I have culled down, according to the ABC analysis, the chapters which are the most important out of all the chapters, both in direct taxation as well as in indirect taxation. So in this particular video, we are going to see what are the important chapters of direct and indirect taxation that are going to be really important for you from an examination standpoint. If you have not been able to cover the entire gamut of syllabus, then at least by covering these syllabus, you will be able to pass. That is for sure. Plus, by the end of the video, I'm going to tell you a bonanza news, a very good news for all the CMA intermediate students who are giving their attempt in December 2025. So watch the video till the end. First of all, coming on to direct taxation. Guys, direct taxation has these chapters, and out of these chapters, the chapters which are the most important chapters are: number 1, residential status; number 2, all 5 heads of income; number 3, clubbing and set off; number 4, taxation of individual and HUF, also popularly sometimes known as taxation of various persons. And that's it. So according to my analysis, if you just do these chapters in detail, and the other chapters you can just overall just see what is the efficacy of the other chapters, you will be able to pass for sure. And the golden strategy to do this is, guys, don't compromise on IDT chapters. IDT chapters are small, they are quickly remembered, it takes lesser time to remember them. So do all the chapters of IDT and do only these specific chapters of DT, and that will be sufficient for your December 2025 attempt. And guys, let me tell you, there's always an amount of risk involved if you leave any chapters. So this is a disclaimer which I have to give you, that sometimes the examiner might turn around the trend which has been analyzed by me for the past few attempts. It can happen, but most likely these chapters will still save your passing marks, will get you the passing marks that you require. So these are the prime chapters from a direct taxation standpoint. And if I come to indirect taxation, then guys, in IDT, these are the most important chapters which you must do. And guys, lay more emphasis on IDT so that at least IDT questions you're able to manage well. So yes, the chapters from 2nd to 7th, these are the core GST chapters, which is levy collection of GST, reverse charge mechanism, composition levy, exemption from tax, value, time of supply, input tax rate, computation of GST liability, and the customs part. That's it, because a mandatory question of customs is coming in almost every attempt. So customs is non-negotiable. So according to this analysis, obviously more chapters of IDT are being highlighted as compared to DT, because IDT is definitely smaller and it takes lesser time to complete IDT. So don't leave any stone unturned with respect to IDT. But yes, for DT, almost here and there, a little bit here and there, you can compromise on detailed analysis of the chapters which are not highlighted in the DT section. Okay, so that's how you can prepare both DT and IDT using this ABC analysis within a very small span of time. Time is less for December 25. So within this span of time, you will easily be able to complete DT and IDT subject. Now, the bonanza which I was talking about, yes, you might be falling short of time in completing your coachings, because DT, IDT coachings are humongous, spanning up to 200 hours, 220 hours and whatnot. Okay, I have curated a special batch, which is the marathon batch, which is 80 hours for both DT and IDT. and I have covered all the important chapters which I have marked in my chart in DT as well as IDT, practical as well as theoretical portions. I'll be giving you soft book along with the marathon lecture, which you can get printed if you want. We are not providing the hard book as of now, only soft book is being provided. Book and chart book, 2 books will be provided to you, the main book and the chart book, and 80 hours of studies, and within 80 hours you'll be able to complete, yes, complete your DT IDT to the core. And complete doesn't mean that, you know, all the chapters are covered. No, only the important chapters are covered. But this is my surety that if you complete the questions which are given in this particular batch 3 times, so 1 time watch the lectures and write the answers, and 2 more times the revision, if you complete it 3 times, I'm very sure that you're going to score more than 50 marks. 50 plus is for sure, shall be there. So important features of this particular batch is it's exclusively for CMA students, which means the entire CMA study mat will be covered. Past examination questions will be covered of CMA. MTPs, important questions only are covered. I've given some questions as homework, some questions as classwork. So whatever I've done in classwork, that will be classwork, rest will be homework. So I've covered all the questions of CMA Institute for those important chapters. Doubt solving will be there by me. You can put in your doubt on the WhatsApp number and doubt will be solved by me. Softbook will be provided. Backup recording with unlimited views will be provided till 31st December 2025. That is important. Brain map charts. Test series will be started by first week of October, and test series will be given to you along with this batch free of cost. Get added to the WhatsApp number for the test series, and once you get added, you will get plethora of many other guidance from me that, you know, I'll be giving from time to time for this particular batch. So if your coachings are not complete and you are wondering, sir, there are plethora of lectures which I have to watch and time is less, you can opt for this batch. The price of this batch is only 2,999 rupees. Sorry. The price of this batch is 2,999 rupees only, and within this particular periphery, you'll be able to complete your, the most important part of your chapters of your entire study material in a very, very short span of time. And yes, I'm very confident that by attending this chapter, you'll be able to qualify your examination in the very first go, guys, in the very first go, for sure. So yes, this was the bonanza I was talking about. I've told you about the ninja strategy of achieving success in your forthcoming examinations. So don't worry. First of all, don't panic. Don't, many students are actually very, very charged out right now. They are worked out. They are stressed. That's why we are not able to complete our syllabus well on time. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Sometimes this happens. Time runs out of your hands because of your mistake or someone else's mistake. But don't worry. This batch is a savior for all the CMA students who are giving their intermediate group 1 in their December 2025 attempt. So yes, this batch is available on my website www.cscscmanikhilgupta.com, or you can call on the numbers which are given on the screen. This number will be able to help you with this particular batch. So yes, that's all for this particular session, guys. That was the ninja technique for achieving success in the examination, for specifically for taxation subject of intermediate group 1. And guys, I'll tell you very important fact, no amount of batches or no amount of video seeing can be compared to what you will do as a revision by your own hands. That's the most important thing. Pick up the book and the register, do revision by your own hands. That will be, the only thing that can save you from really, failing the examination. This batch is just to support you. It's an added advantage just to support you, just to give you confidence that yes, the entire syllabus, which is ocean, is summarized into a very small portion, and you can easily get away with that particular portion. And yes, for the existing students who have already purchased the classes for December 2025, the full-fledged batch, this batch is being offered free of cost for all those students. So you will find it in the app. If you don't find it in the app, then you can refer to my team counselors in the on this particular mobile number 9643929913. All right, wishing you all the very best for your examination, and may you do well in December 2025 examination. Come out as a winner. On that positive note, all the very best and happy studying.